Hello guys. This will be kind of like a freestyle vlog, and excuse me for the light. I believe it's terrible, but I'm on the street right now. I just finished a run, and an idea struck me. I wanted to talk to you about how to find your motivation when it comes to coding. And I had this conversation a couple of times, and my belief is that you should see code not just like a couple of numbers or plain code or plain lines that mean nothing to you, but you should see the end, the objective, and the objective should not be more money or stuff like that, but what can you do with that code? Meaning that for example, you can create an app. Now this is my example, and I'll talk to you about this right now. But for example, you can create an app that's very helpful to you, and maybe if you're lucky and if you work hard enough, maybe you can publish that app or make it known, do a bit of marketing, and make that app pretty successful, and live from it, or maybe have a side income, whatever. These kind of things motivate you to learn, not only just to learn code, but to also progress in your career. Think about what can you build with all of this code. I mean, if you're passionate enough, and if you combine code with your other passions, you can create something wonderful. For example, if you are passionate about agriculture, you can make that, you can learn certain type of code, maybe Arduino or I don't know what, and make the industry better. These kind of things. And now I'll tell you my example. In my case, I have from time to time a bit some problems thinking from time to time. I believe it's something called like brain fog or something like that, and I don't know exactly where it came from, and it's kind of hard for me to make correlations to certain things, like for example coffee or alcohol. So I made an app. Well, it's currently only usable only for me, but I made an app that enables me to log how I feel in anytime I want. For example, now I can say that I feel like a 5 out of 5, and the app will remember that and will remember all of the logs that I've entered in that. And I can also enter anytime I drink coffee, for example. I can I can log that and make correlations between, let's say, coffee and my state, my feelings. Or you can import data from other apps. For example, maybe you have an app that tells you how much you sleep. So you can use that, and to make correlations, you can find out if that helps you or not. Anyways, this is just an example. I hope this helps you make a better idea of why you should learn certain things, and to keep on going. Okay, this is quite long enough, and I'm almost home, but I hope you like the idea, and good luck in the future. Cheers.